kids! Today, join me as we practice reading full of fun and learning. Are you ready, kids? Let's go! So come along, read and learn with me. Read with me. Ellie the elephant. In a forest, there lived a wise elephant named Ellie. He was the tallest and strongest of all the animals. One day, when a river flooded, Ellie used his long trunk to help the other animals cross safely to the other side. Now, your turn to read. Very good. Let us answer the following questions. Number 1. What was the name of the elephant in the story? Good job, kids! The name of the elephant in the story was Ellie. Number 2 question. Where did Ellie live? Good job! Ellie lived in a forest. Last question. How did Ellie help the other animals? Good job! Ellie used his long trunk to help the other animals cross the flooded river safely. Very good, kids! Stay tuned for more wonderful stories to read. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. You can share this with your fellow friends for them to learn. Thank you for learning with me. See you next time.